Open multiple documents just like on your office desk. Copy activities from one document to the other. Copy activities from PriMus documents. Copy activities to your time schedule. Copy other activities from PriMus documents. Copy activities or groups of activities from one time schedule to another. Replace activities in your time schedule by moving activities or groups. Reorganize the time schedule by moving activities or groups of activities. Left mouse button click plus move item. Left mouse button click and control key to replace activities. Left mouse button click plus control key to highlight activities.